had a very good fall. A very good fall. Hello there, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. It's 10:30 in the morning. We are dressed, showered, clean. We smell kind of okay. We smell like pumpkin. But it smells good, so it's alright. So yeah, we are having a little bit of a different, like kind of a fun day today. Me and Ian, we're going to
Tampa, try to look at some Christmas lights and go see your mother.
Yes, go see my little tiny mommy and go see some Christmas lights, go check out the different things. We have a gift card deal with Cheesecake Factory, so we're gonna have like a Frenchie dinner tonight. I love cheesecake, so I'm like really excited for this. So yeah, that's the plan today. So we've made it to my mother's house. Yes. Mom, wave. Yes. We were hanging out at my mother's house just for a little bit, hanging out with their little cats, and then we're gonna be heading over to Tampa, go to a few different parks. Ian is a pilot, he loves planes, so we're gonna go to Cypress Point Park, where he can go look at some planes, might try to skateboard a little bit, and then once it gets dark, we're gonna go look at some Christmas lights. It's my baby. Alright guys, hello! So we are at
Cypress Point Park in Tampa.
Yes, so we're at this beautiful park and beach in Tampa. The park's back there. But yeah, we're just enjoying the views, enjoying the weather, enjoying being in Florida during the winter time. It's kind of breezy, a little chilly, but it's not too bad. The sun just came out, so it feels a lot better. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this and then walk around, and lots of planes are landing right above our heads because Tampa Airport is literally right there.
I think I can.
Catch the hill. Hey.
Vroom vroom.
I like this hill. It's very slow. Guys, so we are done with Cypress Point Park. We We had some fun. I practiced skating a little bit. I actually went down my first big hills. Like, those were the biggest hills I've attempted. I fell one time pretty good. My knee's kind of dirty right now, but it's fine. I am going, I'm pretty happy with what we did, but we are gonna go grab something to drink real quick, and then we're gonna go hit up Tampa River Walk, go walk around, see if they have any decorations up, and then we're probably gonna do dinner after that. But yeah, so far I'm pretty happy. We were just playing around with the skateboard, joking around. We were watching the planes come in. It was nice. Like, it was fun. Have you enjoyed yourself, boy?
Oh yes.
Oh yes, yes. But I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I'm actually like getting to the point where I can, like, when I kick, I'm getting a little bit farther, and then I've attempted my first hills. Back to Lizzie the Nizzy.
Yeah. Is that how you feel?
Yes, that's her name. Hello. Alright, so we are at Cheesecake Factory, and it's our first time going together as a couple.
First time, my first time going anyway.
Yeah. I've been a few times, like with friends in college and stuff like that. But yeah, this is our first time going. His first time at all. So we're just gonna have a good meal and, you know, have fun. Get some good cheesecake too, because we have a nice coupon for it. Beautiful chicken parmesan sandwich. Delicious. Good. I got the honey truffle chicken, mac and cheese, and mashed potatoes. What cheesecake did you get that you're tearing apart here?
Cinnabon.
Cinnabon? It looks so Cinnabon-ish. And I get the s'mores, the toasted s'mores. Mine looks absolutely amazing.
You need to have a bite of this.
If you're nice, maybe I'll give you some of mine.
Or I'll just take it.
Alright guys, so we are basically done for the night. We had Cheesecake Factory, had a really awesome dinner, went back to my house, grabbed my stuff, and now we are back over at Ian's house, just trying to relax, watching, just watching TV, having a good time. I'm about to edit this video and get that up. Make sure you guys, I just posted on my Instagram, I'm doing a giveaway. If you are interested in that at all, please head over there. I'd love for you guys to enter and have your best chance of, being included. Part of it is that you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, so make sure you are doing that. I will see you guys tomorrow.